In today's video, I will be sharing 16 micro habits that will literally change your life for the good. If you want a more stress free life, if you want a more productive day, more productive life, you want to have a pretty good work life balance, a relationship with yourself, all of these goals, all of them will be achieved if you start adding these micro habits in your day to day routine. Hi, I'm Gia. I'm a holistic wellness nutritionist and a subconscious reprogramming coach, and I am your guide and your bestie to self reinvention and changing your complete identity. These micro habits are so little that you might just be ignoring them and you don't even know what big of a role they play in your life. So, before we get started, I will give you a few guidelines of how to use them. These are some habits that a lot of people just ignore in their day to day life. So, you can start all of them on a daily basis, or you can start adding one by one, or like you can add them in groups. So there are 16, right? So at one time you can add four in a week, four habits in a week, then stack four more, then four more. In 1 month you might be just following all of these habits with discipline and consistency. So let's get started. So number one is something that not a lot of people do, but it plays a very huge role. A lot of you just wake up and check your phone. I want you to have the first hour completely to yourself. Do one activity for your mind, one for your body, one for your soul. Start adding these three habits in your morning routine in the first hour of the day, and you will start to see so many different changes. Have some hot water with Celtic sea salt or Himalayan pink salt and lemon squeezed into it. It is a great way to rehydrate your body and activate your liver and lymph to start their job in the day. Number two, wake up and expose your eyes to the natural bright light. Whether it's sunlight, even if it's raining outside, I want you to go outside, stand in your balcony, and just look into the nature. Do not use your phone or any devices after you wake up. Spend the first 15 minutes outside in bright light. This would regulate your circadian rhythm and help your cells to repair and replenish. Number three, every single morning, practice deep diaphragmatic breathing. I have already mentioned this before in my previous videos that breath work plays a very huge role in your health, in your mental health, in your emotional health, physical health, every kind of aspect of your life. Breath work will anchor you in the morning without raising your stress levels, without raising your cortisol, which, by the way, happens when you use devices first thing in the morning. So focus on breath work. Breathing is something that everyone does, but we actually don't focus on how we're breathing. Are we practicing deep breath work, or are we just practicing shallow breathing? This is something that really, really matters. Next is make your bed first thing in the morning. Make your bed right after you get off your bed in the morning. Don't let it as it is for the entire day. It brings bad energy, it brings clutter in your life. It will actually make you less productive and less happy. It also signals your brain that I am following through the entire routine. Next is practice grounding. If there is some kind of garden around you, there's grass or any ground, if you live by the beach, beach is amazing as well. Any natural place, I want you to go walk over there barefoot. It's been shown that it reduces inflammation and improves your mood. It boosts your mood. It also helps in your circadian rhythm. Next is after you've brushed your teeth, after you're fresh, say at least one identity based affirmation out loud. Or you can practice quantum meditation or regular meditation. All of these are actually brain rewiring activity. Here's an example for the affirmation: I am a person who completes what she starts. I am a person who's always consistent and she manages her day in a very amazing way. These are some kinds of identity based affirmations that will help you get through the day, and it will rewire your brain as well. Next would be write two big tasks of the day and three small tasks. This will keep you updated, this will keep you accountable and productive throughout the day. Keep one task as a needle moving task, which is a very, very small task that will just get the day moving, that will just get the to do list moving. Because sometimes that is all we need, a very little 2-minute task. And once we get done with it, our brain gets a signal that we're supposed to do the other tasks as well. And we start doing that without feeling demotivated, without feeling low. Next is move your body, even if it is for 5 or 10 minutes. It gets your lymph flowing, it gets oxygen and blood flowing inside your body, leading to more focus and more cognitive performance. It could be just jumping on a spot, it could be squats, it could be lunges, it could just be marching or jogging at one place. Next is do 5 deep squats and some kind of flexible stretching activity while brushing your teeth. This is known as habit stacking. Next is I want you to put your phone on complete do not disturb focus mode while you're working or studying or doing anything which is super important where you don't need any kind of disturbance. This is something that will keep you on track. Next micro habit is practice deep breathing before you eat anything, especially your main meals, which is breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This will put your body from a sympathetic state to a parasympathetic state, which is the rest, relax, digest state. This one little micro habit will make your digestion amazing, it will make your mood amazing, it will shift your body to a very relaxed state, which is, by the way, super important when it comes to having your meals. Next is being grateful for everything that you have. A lot of people actually don't follow through. A lot of you think gratitude or being grateful for something is one thing. You're supposed to only write it in a journal, three things I'm grateful for, and that would be it. No, you are supposed to be grateful. You are supposed to be showing gratitude, which should be coming from your heart the entire day. I'm grateful for this food on my table. I'm grateful for, I don't know, the weather. I'm grateful for my job, my money, my family, my anything, everything and anything. You are supposed to feel this gratitude coming directly from your heart throughout the day. When you are in gratitude, you attract more things. When you're in a desperate chasing mode, you will never attract any good things. And the last one is follow this one format for your meals, because your meals play a very huge role in your health as well as improving the quality of your life. Just follow this one format: more protein, more fiber, moderate healthy fats, and less carbs. Choose whole carbs over simple carbs. This will literally change your life. Do something just for yourself every single day. Could be anything, could be a very small thing. It's not necessary that it would involve buying something or getting yourself something, but actually just prioritize yourself with just one task in the day. Your nervous system, your brain, your body will be super happy, relaxed, calm, and that is something that will change your life. Next is write one win or good thing that happened with you before you go to sleep. This one micro habit is so powerful because your brain actually seeks progress and not failures or your problems. Just like you need appreciation when you've done something good, even your brain needs appreciation and crazy amount of reminders that you have done something great. There was a win. The second last is no scrolling 30 minutes before going to bed. Keep away all kinds of devices and screens from your bed and do not focus on these distractions, on these screens right before you're about to sleep. This one micro habit will actually just set your circadian rhythm. It will regulate your hormones in a better way. These micro habits are not about perfection, they're about consistency. They are about adding one little habit in your day so that you start feeling more motivated to do the bigger tasks, to add the bigger habits in your life. So I want you to stack 3 to 4 of these in your existing routine. They will literally automatically become identity upgrades for you. I really hope that this video would help you in all ways that you wanted to. If you like this video, I want you to click on the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, comment below which video would you like to see next, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.